line should be the third one from the north side. So only number is wrong.
Okay, maybe it's a typo. We will check. We will cross this data with the schedule that we have.
So, but our understanding is that you are going to move this rig number 2 from this position to the north, no?
No. This location plot looks correct, but only slot number looks like a typo.
Okay, we can correct this
Yes,
figure. We have received some preliminary information from ADNOC, but if you can confirm
it's okay.
the
Sergio,
positions,
doesn't
would
matter
be
now.
great.
Later we will talk about this. Slot number, we're just giving a highlight on the work which will go in parallel. Now the MOPO which will develop, it's independent of the location.
Yes.
Does because in this map you have various color, green, yellow. What does this? Yellow is the place where it's ongoing construction activity, or what does it mean?
Yes, yellow is where we are working foundations. Before the foundation, for sure, we have to do the piling. But in this slide, we just wanted to highlight that we will be working at the same time with foundations. And once we finish, we put it in color green. Okay.
Okay.
So you can see that from June 26, we start foundations activities in the drilling area.
Please let me have a
everything
small
will be completed by December 26. This is the timeline.
Khalid and Sotosan, when the rig is walking from after assembling, that area is covered under CMOS. From which location it will move to the well pad area?
So what is the question?
Okay,
Sorry.
the rig will be assembled in a particular location within the island, and from there the rig will be walking to the well pad area. How it will be?
No, it will be.
I mean, rig will be rigged up in the middle of each row. So, for example, rig number 1 will be assembled at the middle of row number 4. For the rig number 2, it should be assembled around the middle of row number 3. So I think for this, this is for the piling, right? The current presentation showing the schedule for the piling.
Foundations. No,
sorry, foundation. Okay, so for foundation, I think rig number 1 will be under drilling activity during SIMOPS, and for rig number 2, it should be under rig assembly when we have a piling operation at this location.
Okay, so guys, I would suggest, for a time point of view, we are okay. But today's, we will see the SIMOPS. If these two activities are happening together at the same time, then only we will have prohibition, restrictions, and allowed. So, Ruben, I would advise you to please update the timeline or typos later on after the workshop. If there is some specific question related